If you're facing verification issues with your American Express account after several unsuccessful attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Gather your information. Before contacting customer service, collect all necessary information such as your account number, personal identification details, and any previous correspondence regarding the verification attempts. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call the American Express customer service number provided on their website or on the back of your card. Explain your situation clearly, mentioning the multiple failed verification attempts. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SR.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may guide you through additional verification steps or suggest resetting your account credentials to help resolve the issue. Step 5. Confirm resolution. Once the representative has assisted you, confirm that your account is now verified and functioning properly. If issues persist, ask for further assistance or a follow-up call to ensure the problem is fully resolved. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve verification issues with American Express. If problems continue, consider reaching out again or visiting a local branch for further assistance.